AI is transforming every aspect of our lives, from creating breathtaking art to composing music, writing code, and even designing electronics. It's reshaping the future. And here on this channel, we're going to explore just how far AI can take us. Hi, I'm Kronos, and I'm going to be your guide, exploring the world of AI and how it's revolutionizing creativity, technology, and the future. Artificial intelligence can unlock new possibilities across industries. In this channel, I'll be guiding you through the latest AI advancements, showing you how to use AI for art, music, coding, and electronics, and diving into exciting theories about what the future holds. You'll find a mix of tutorials and deep dives on everything AI-related, like creating amazing AI-generated art using tools like Comfy UI, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. Exploring how AI is transforming the music industry, from composing melodies to soundscapes, getting help with coding and using AI-powered assistants to boost productivity, and even seeing how AI is applied in designing electronics and robotics. Plus, we'll dive into the ethical implications, the latest trends, and take a look at where AI is headed in the future. If you're passionate about AI or just curious about how it's shaping the world, you're in the right place. I'll make sure you stay up to date with everything from tutorials to deep, thought-provoking discussions about AI's role in the future. Thanks for joining me. I'm excited to start this journey with you. See you in the next video.